are some ways that leaders of organizations can help support, your methodologies, use your best practices and methodologies to really build high-performing organizations?
One of the first steps is simply to recognize that information capabilities are a fundamental skill that drives productivity and well-being. So this is where it still amazes me that not just through our education system, through K-12, university, college and beyond, but also in jobs, there is virtually no training, virtually no development of these capabilities. Let's sort things out. Whoever can work out how to deal well with information succeeds. Whoever can't, doesn't. And everybody I know can continue to get better. And so some of the endorsements for my book, which I was happiest with, were some extraordinary people who said, I'm really, really good at this, but I've learned a lot from your book because there's just saying, there's all these other things I can do. Yes, I may be already good at this, but if I was being conscious, all right, let's think about this as something I can get better at. What are the things I can do? So I think making this explicitly an area for development, for leaders, for managers, be that in education. I have created an online course on this, but I think there's also this ability simply to guide people to think about what is it they can do to be more effective in this at doing this. And then the second part, and this is particularly relevant in the world of remote work, is being able to help teams establish schedules that enable them to be effective and productive in the way they work. And one very simple principle, for example, is that teams agree that there are times of day when there will be no interruptions, when they don't need to respond to a call, to be on a video conference, to be on the Slack or messaging system. So this work is so much designed to be always there, always paying attention, always responding to things, which does not give people the capacity to spend a block of time to be focused, develop their capacity for attention, and develop knowledge and achieve worthwhile things. And so this is a fundamental principle of how we design work generally, particularly remote work, where we can have this capacity to say, well, yeah, okay, there are times when we're checking emails and doing things and checking in and having our meetings and so on. But there are also times when we can be completely focused, and that's recognized as an important part of the job.